Good morning, children. I'm Chasunidhi Kasta, Western music teacher of Vidyaloka College, Gaul. This lesson is for grade 6 students, environmental sounds. Competency, ability to appreciate, value, and reproduce creatively sounds in the environment. So, this is the first lesson for grade 6 students. Let's learn about environmental sounds. Sounds. Music is made of sounds. So, you know that sound is created by nature or by man. Sound differ from place to place, and also some sounds are heard at a particular time. For an example, there are some birds who sing during certain periods of the year or during certain times of the day. I told you that music is made of sounds. In this slide, I have divided the sounds into two categories, that is, sounds of nature and man-made sounds. Under the sound of nature, I have given you some examples. Look at the picture carefully, observe them carefully. And under the man-made sounds also, I have given you some examples. Observe that picture also. You can see more differences between sound of nature and man-made sounds. There are so many differences between these sounds. So, in this slide, we divided the sounds into two sections, that is sounds of nature and man-made sounds. Sounds of nature. In this slide, there are some examples. Now listen to this sound. This is rustling of leaves. Yes, this sound, rustling of leaves. ගස්වල කොළ වැටෙන සද්දය. Now listen to this sound. The splatter of the rain. The splatter of the rain. වැස්සේ සද්දය. The splatter of the rain. This one, birds chirping. Yes, we all like that. Birds chirping. That is also a nature sound. Now this one is sound of the breeze. Sound of the breeze. Sulange sadde. Hulange sadde. Sound of the breeze. Bubbling of the river. Bubbling of the river. I know you have experienced these nature sounds. Now let us move on to the next slide. Man-made sounds. I have given you some examples for man-made sounds. Now listen to this audio. This is car horns. Yes, car horns. Next one, cuckoo clocks. Listen to the audio, cuckoo clocks. This is cuckoo clocks. Next one, musical doorbells. Musical doorbells. The ringing tone of mobile phones. Yes, the ringing tone of mobile phone. All these are man-made sounds. And the last one is the music heard in public performances. Now this is the example for that. I think you have been to concerts. It can be a vocal concert or instrumental concert. Music heard in public performances is also a man-made sound. Again, sounds have categorized into two sections, that is pleasant sounds and unpleasant sounds. Look at the first picture. Are they smiling? Yes, they are in happy mood. So pleasant is nice, enjoyable and attractive. Pleasant is nice, enjoyable and attractive sounds. Unpleasant sounds. He is acting like this. It means, does he like these sounds? No. So it gives you bad feeling and make you feel upset or uncomfortable. Unpleasant sounds gives you bad feeling, making you feel upset and uncomfortable. So let us move on to the next slide. Sounds pleasant to hear, unpleasant to hear. Pleasant to hear, example music, sound of the musical instruments. Unpleasant to hear, noise, sound of horns of buses. Now I think you have an idea about sounds. Music is made of sounds, so we categorize these sound into two sections, that is nature sounds and man-made sounds. Again we categorize sounds as pleasant sounds and unpleasant sounds. So in this slide I have given you an activity. I think you will be enjoy this one. I'm going to play you a video clip. Listen to the video clip and fill the given chart. After that, you can write in front of each sound whether the sound is a pleasant sound or unpleasant sound. Let's listen to the video clip. Social functions. Music serves many functions. There are some functions: birthday parties, weddings, funerals, and also we can get procession. Music is used as a part of ceremony and ritual. Some use music for relaxation, some use music to earn a living. Music is used as a therapy to help sick people recover, and also we use for entertainment and pleasure. Now let's see how music serves in our functions. First one, I have given you birthday party, singing birthday song. You know birthday song. Sometimes we play guitar, piano, organ, and also we used to singing and dancing at birthday parties. Next one, wedding. Singing Jai Mangala Gatha. Most of the Buddhist weddings they sing Jai Mangala Gatha and Magulbara. They use Magulbara performances also. This is an example for Jai Mangala Gatha. Now, most of the Christians at their church weddings they use wedding march and bridal chorus both. Wedding march was composed by Mendelssohn. This is the wedding march, one of the greatest composition in Romantic period. This is the wedding march. It was composed by Mendelssohn. Christians at their church weddings use this music. Now I am going to play you the bridal chorus. It was composed by Wagner, another one of the greatest composer in the Romantic period. Now this is the bridal chorus composed by Wagner, a Romantic period composer. Next one, funeral. Singing hymns, chanting Pirit, Hevisi procession, funeral march. Buddhists use chanting Pirit and Hevisi procession. Most of the Christians use singing hymns and funeral march. Funeral march was composed by Chopin, another one of the greatest composer lived during the Romantic period. I think now you have an idea how music serves in our functions. So now I'm going to give you some activities. Hope you can do these activities. Let's see what are the activities. Activity 1. Name 5 pleasant sounds and unpleasant sounds. I think you can do this one. Fill the given chart. Then activity 2. State pleasant or unpleasant. There are 5 sounds. So you have to write whether the given sound is pleasant or unpleasant. Activity 3. Again there are some sounds. You have to mention whether the sound is a nature sound or man-made sound. Activity 4. We discussed that music serves in many functions. So I have given you some functions here, that is wedding, birthday party, funeral and procession. You have to fill the given blanks. You have to write the most suitable function in the given blank. Now I think you are tired. Now let's enjoy a beautiful Sri Lankan composition. Some composers used nature sounds and man-made sounds in their compositions. The sounds at different situations can be imitated in a very interesting way. Nimal Mendis' Candian Express is a good example for this. Nimal Mendis is a Sri Lankan well-known composer. He composed this Candian Express music. He has imitated the sound of a train in this composition. Now enjoy this video. This is Candian Express music composed by Nimal Mentis. I hope you will enjoy this music. Thank you for being with me. See you soon.